Want to keep your files safe and make moving to a new PC effortless? In this video, we'll show you how to use Windows Backup on Windows 11 to protect your folders, apps, settings, and even Wi-Fi details, all backed up to OneDrive. First, make sure you're signed in with a Microsoft account. Click the Start button, go to Settings, then select Accounts and click your info. If you see Sign in with a local account instead, you're already signed in. Otherwise, choose Sign in with a Microsoft account instead. Next, click Start, type Backup, and select Windows Backup from the results. Expand folders and choose which user folders you want to back up to OneDrive. Do the same for apps, settings, and credentials. When everything looks good, click Backup. Your files and preferences are now safely stored and accessible on any PC you sign into with your Microsoft account. If you have any questions about Windows Backup, contact us via social media so we can assist you. For more tech tips, subscribe to Dell Tech Support and check out our other videos.